welcome back. We have an intro, as you saw over there, and we have an outro. Finally. I know. Today we will be doing the ABC Squishy Challenge. Tag. Squishy tag. So, if you can't find a squishy for that letter, well, it's gonna be like A, a Taiyaki goldfish spread. B, kind of like that. So if you don't have a squishy for each letter or for a letter, then you have to bite the squishy. You have to bite any squishy for 10 seconds. So, ready? A Taiyaki goldfish. A. B. A bee. C. What are we doing for C? That one. Wait. Do I have a tape anywhere? Oh no. So. Oh, I found one. C, a croissant. A what? Croissant. No. D. Does doo-doo count? No. Sorry. D. I found one, but I forgot what it was. I bet there is one in here. You just passed it. I did. Well, you. D. A donut. E. Okay. Okay, so we think this is an eclair. It looks like an eclair. So E. Eclair. F. Oh, perfect. Where is that little guy? What if it's not a guy? Oh my gosh, not that again. F. Fish. E, F, G. Things that start with G. Don't know. G, 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 G. G, G, G. What are things that start with G? G? A. Good. Squishy. No, that doesn't count. Yeah. No, it does not. Fine. G, 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 G. That was scary. It what? Wasn't it? Graham cracker. Alright, found one. This is a graham cracker. It doesn't look like one, but it is. E, F, G, H. Oh man. Okay. We got this. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh wait, sorry. I completely forgot about this. Oh yeah, and we got a new background. Fancy, okay. But we are gonna have like a modern one. This is our nighttime background. And then we actually I know it's not actually a Hello Kitty donut. It's actually Kitty White. It really is Kitty White, but go look up the true story of Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is the name that a lot of people call it. Yeah, but it's not. it's not really, yeah, but H-I, I. You're welcome. Icing. We actually don't know what it is, but it looks like icing. Okay, I completely pressed I. J. Okay, no, H-I, yeah, J. Hey, you're gonna get J, I'll get K. Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't see a J, guys. And I don't see a K, guys. Well, pick your squishy. You know which one I'm going for. I'm gonna put this squishy in my mouth for 10 seconds. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me get my squishy. It's gonna be this one. So. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Wait, no, keep it for later. Gross. Okay. What's after K? A, L, K, L, K, J, J, K, L. Wait. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L. Yeah, L. Let's see. A loaf, right, of bread. A loaf of bread. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-L-M-M. Ooh! A mouse toast. Boo! And a nice little paw. Sushi. No, that's too little. I know. N. Said N. Okay. Okay. Well, there's nothing. So, sadly, I need to put something in my mouth, and I'm gonna choose this little guy. No, I'm gonna choose this guy. Oh no. No, I'll choose this fat. No. This one. No. Find this one. No. Find this one. No. Find this one. No. Find this one. No. 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 I'm never gonna put anything in my mouth. Cause I like the way you're working. No diggity. We gotta be acting up. No. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put this paw in my mouth. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? Okay. H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O. A. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, what are things that show? I don't think I have one. So, I'm going to put... What is this? It's a peach. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. That was gross. Okay. Ew, that tastes terrible. P. Peach. Squash. HIJKLMNOPQ. What? How am I going to find the Q? I know what you could have done for J. Japanese face bun. Japanese face bun. No, that doesn't count. What is this? I don't know. It looks like a koala to me. Okay, well, I can't find the Q, so I have to put this in my mouth. You're putting poo-poo in your mouth. Wait, 10 seconds. 10. No, wait, didn't you just go? Oh, yeah, I went. Okay. 10, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop. Gross. Okay, that has... Yeah. Q, T, Q, T, Q, T, cutie, cutie, Q, R. I know which one. I'm gonna be looking through this for a while. I know. I already know one. Wait, what did you do for P? Oh, I already know one too. I just need to find it. What is it? You'll see. I already found mine. I don't know where it is. Oh, Rilakkuma. Oh, I thought of Rilakkuma. I just said that. I know. QRS. Steam bun? But a steamed tofu. That counts, right? Okay. T. Do you have a taco? No. What? No. Okay. Well, now, worst comes to worst. I'm gonna put this little guy, another paw, in my mouth. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Paw. That's gross. Yeah, I know. QRSTU. Just put one in your mouth now. Ukulele. Ukulele. Well, I can't find one, so I'm just gonna put this. 10, 9, 8. No. 7, 10, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4. It's 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay. Yeah, QRSTUV. V. V? Yeah. Okay. Well, once again, I'm putting a paw in my mouth. While she's doing that, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. EUVW. Oh! A waffle. WX. Just put one in your mouth now. Okay. I don't see any paws. I like paws. I only have 3. Okay. Well, I'm going to put this little guy in my mouth. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. WXY. Y and Z, we're going to do it at the same time. Okay. I will put a croissant in my mouth. A croissant. It looks like a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay. So that was it for our ABC Squishy Tag. Sorry this was kind of a long video. I'm sorry. But see you guys later. Yay. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all of you. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, notification, like, and comment if you want to watch more videos. Bye. See you guys later. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on those post notifications and be sure to be happy.